What's up, Aqua Biz fam? It's your boy Andres here with AN'A Deluxe Detail. Shout out to the homeboy Johnny and Aqua Biz for having us out here. We appreciate the love. He called us because his car was really dirty. He needed some extraction. Let me show you.
Alright guys, you guys heard it from my boy Andres. Thank you guys for tuning in. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe on our channel, AN'A Deluxe Detail. You can also follow us on Instagram at AN'A Deluxe Detail. We hope you guys continue to have a great day, and we'll see you guys on the next one.